The company's been around since 2022. We got started having a vision to make an impact on society, to enter truly into renewable energy, contributing to wind farms, solar farms, and battery projects. We only contract with the top 15 largest EPCs in the country. We don't work in the commercial world. All of our clients are either industrial or renewable energy focused. We offer a core service line, which is essentially mass excavation and site preparation when it comes to thousands of acres. We can tackle a 3,000 acre site, move 1 million cubic yards, and get your site ready for construction. That includes not just cut and fill, but also addressing the drainage issues associated with 3,000 acres. So we'll take on the sedimentation pond building, roadway building, storm pipe installation, but we also offer ancillary services like equipment setting, fence building, instrumentation, and electrical work. Our competitors, they don't necessarily provide a pricing on the total package. So that's why we pick up everything in order to provide value in our core business, to say that you can contract with one subcontractor on that project. We currently operate in the Southwest. That's really our core business: Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, with Texas and Arizona being the strongest. But we're also looking to expand into the Southeast, where we are now in the process of getting licensed in Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi. As long as there's a need for our services, and if a particular client requests that we travel with them to those states that we're not licensed in, we will get licensed.
Number one, we're going to do what we say we're going to do. We're going to work safe. We're going to make every effort we can to do exactly what we promise you we're going to do. We want to know what your needs are, what your desires are as a client. You know, we have a saying here that says, what's right is the rule. And we live by that. It's just what we do. Number two is we've got great personnel. Every project has its own project manager. We'll normally office on site. They'll have an assistant project manager. We have our own safety team for each project that works on site with them. Everybody's bought into the culture here. Safety, performance, do the right thing. If that's not important to you, then we're probably not a good fit. If safety is not the first thing that we discuss, then it's probably not going to be a good fit for us. If it's the first thing you're talking about, before you ever talk about price or scope or ability to perform the work, there's something that sets that relationship at a higher level, then we're a good fit for you.
We just recently wrapped up essentially a 2,800 acre solar farm. We are now moving into initiating another $22 million project with that very same client, because we were so strong in our execution of the work on their first large project. We're moving into a secondary large project with them. Guys and gals work at Sendero Energy Services. We're the tip of the spear. We bring people in so they can grow within the organization and move on to a mid-level role, to a senior level role. Apprenticeship program allows them to enter at a pay rate, progress through the apprenticeship program, then after 2 years receive a certification, say they're now moved on to a higher paying role, and their pay rate should increase anywhere from 30 to 40% at the completion of the program. And we give guys and gals the opportunity to be all that they can be from a standpoint of career growth, career path. The thing I'm most proud of is 15 largest EPCs are currently under business with Sendero, and because they trust us with execution of projects that cost anywhere from $300 to $400 million, we're glad that they trust us, and we're even more proud of the fact that we can go execute the work. We have the talent and skill and the labor force that's committed to getting that done.
The future for Sendero Energy Services is to concentrate on the things that we're strong at and to just continue to grow the people here. Our intent is to diversify, pursue traditional oil and gas work, some industrial work, still civil.
The global energy needs is increasing 20 to 30% annually. Sendero Energy will be around for a very, very long time because of our commitment to supporting the transition from carbon-based to renewable-based energy.